guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today I have a vlog, kind of like a video. I'm gonna try attempt to it. I received my Mother's Day gift and I wanted to share with you guys because I was like really excited. So let's get into it. So my husband asked me like, what do you want for Mother's Day? And I said a bag or just makeup brushes. And my husband decided to give me the bag. I do have another one. It's just a lot heavier. So it comes on this kind of bag. I don't have anything to cut this, so I'm just gonna rip the bag open because I'm just gonna I don't have anything else. This is so much lighter than my makeup bag, so this is what it looks like. It's completely black, and then the writing, it's in white. So once you open it down here, ooh, nice. All right, I'm gonna move this thing over so it's not in the middle, and we can see better. It's got some bags inside. Oh, these are different than the one I saw. Nice. Okay, so it comes with like these little bags. I'm actually just taking everything out so you guys can see it. I'm wondering if I should bring my light. I'm gonna bring my light so maybe that can help a little bit. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I brought the light. I hope you guys can see a little better. Sorry about that. And obviously this, because why not? It's past 7 o'clock, so happy Mother's Day. Okay, so yeah, I show you guys, this is how it looks like. I'm gonna show you now because the light's here and maybe you can see it a little better than before. There is 5 of these ones, and then there is also this one right here, which is super cute. I have this in a bigger version, and I didn't know the ZÜCA bag came with this. Like, I didn't know because I only saw this ones before, so I didn't know it included this one. This is so good. Like, I love this thing. And the pattern, so cute. Like, I can't. It also comes with a cover, so you can put these over the actual bag. So I am so excited. I'm so happy. I'm gonna probably put all of my makeup in there. So I was wondering if maybe I should do like a little vlog video of that. Let me know guys if you guys want to see that. I'm gonna go and show you my actual makeup bag that I have right now and the bigger version of this. I am filming this in my room because William is awake, so I don't want him like running in here and throwing everything all over the place, and I'm just so excited. I couldn't wait. So let's go to the front and I'll show you guys how everything that I have right now looks like. So this is the big bag that I was comparing to this little one. As you guys can see, this is a mess. I have to organize this, but it's got the same, kind of the same compartments. It's just this is a bigger version than that. But you can still put some stuff, quite some stuff in this little one. It also comes with register protection, just in case you lose your bag. This is my actual makeup bag. It comes in 2 separate sections. So this is the bottom. It's got some drawers in there and then some space on the top so I can put some skincare and foundation. That's what I keep on the top. And then this is the one that goes on top of it. This is where I usually put all of my lashes and palettes at the bottom. I love that bag. That was my first makeup bag. My husband got it for me, but it is just like a little heavy compared to the ZÜCA one. So I'm so excited and so happy to try that bag. I'm gonna give you guys a little close-up of it so you can see what it looks like. Okay, you guys, so this is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Also, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys very soon.